Hello, class 12 students. Today we will study about drift velocity. Drift velocity is the velocity of electrons. Yesterday we had studied about a conductor in which one side one positive disk will be there and one negative disk will be there, and electric field will be from positive to negative direction. In that case, I told you that free electrons will start moving from negative side to the positive plate. They will get attracted towards the positive plate and start traveling from every side to the positive side. That flow of electron will produce current. That flow of electron, we are calculating the velocity of that electron. That velocity is called drift velocity. This is not a normal velocity because electrons are moving randomly in every direction towards the positive direction. The electrons move with some average velocity independent of time. Time पे डिपेंड नहीं करते हैं वो. जितने that much time electric field is there, electrons are moving towards the positive potential. That velocity of electrons is called drift velocity. Now we derive the formula for drift velocity. If there are n free electrons and the velocity of the ith electron at a given time is vi, then n number of electrons flow करते हैं और सपोज ith इलेक्ट्रॉन है कोई, उसकी वेलोसिटी vi है, तो जब हम n नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का सम करेंगे i से 1 से n तक and divide by n, will calculate the average velocity of all the electrons. That will come 0 because one electron will go in one direction and another electron will come from another direction, and resultant of their velocity will come 0. This is due to the random movement of electron after collisions in different directions. अब collision भी होगा जब electrons मूव कर रहे हैं, तो बीच में उनके जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा, किसी की स्पीड कम होगी, किसी की स्पीड ज़्यादा होगी, तो दे विल कोलाइड एंड दे विल come to the opposite direction. In this way, average velocity there will come 0. When the conductor is connected to a battery, जब हम कंडक्टर को बैटरी से कनेक्ट करेंगे तो दिस फ्लो विल बी कंटिन्यूस. इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो कंटिन्यूस होगा, तो उसमें कंटिन्यूस फोर्स प्रोड्यूस होगा. दैट कंटिन्यूस फोर्स इज, फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्स इज QE. So QE is here electrons, so continuous force will be minus EE. Applying Newton's law, force equal to mass into acceleration. Force is minus EE, mass into acceleration. Then acceleration of that electrons will be minus EE by m. M is the mass of electrons. Then suppose we are considering Ti be the interval between two successive collisions. जब कोलाइड होंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो हम सपोज कर रहे हैं कि उनके बीच का टाइम इंटरवल Ti है, तो एट ए गिवन सम ऑफ द टाइम सम ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अंडरगोज लार्ज कोलिजन्स. कुछ के ज़्यादा कोलिजन होंगे, कुछ के कम कोलिजन होगा. तो एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ Ti फॉर द इंटायर सैम्पल इज नोन एज रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. एवरेज वैल्यू कितनी बार वो कोलाइड होंगे और वापस आएंगे, उसका टोटल एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम निकालेंगे, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. Next is torque. Here that torque is different. It is defined as the average time between two successive collisions जब of a free electron in a given sample. दो successive collisions के बीच में जो टाइम लैप होगा, उसका एवरेज टाइम, हर एक collision के बीच का हम टाइम एवरेज निकालेंगे, तो दैट विल कॉल एज टॉर्क. उसका नोटेशन, दिस विल बी द नोटेशन ऑफ टॉर्क. अभी हम here we are assuming that two collisions between the electrons will be a straight line, तो हम equation of motion use कर सकते हैं v is equal to u plus at to find out the final drift velocity. बीच की सारी velocities जो हैं they will cancel out and their initial velocities average will be 0. एक final drift velocity बच जाएगी, that is vi average plus at time. We are taking average time as relaxation time. Then इसको हम डिनोट करेंगे Vd. दिस विल एवरेज विल बी 0 and acceleration we have calculated as minus E by m, and this is the relaxation time tau. So this will the final result of drift velocity. Vd equal to EE by m tau. इसका मॉड लेंगे तो this will be the value.